Guys, and welcome back to Nicole Does West. So remember I was telling you guys that I had to do my ceiling, and I was waiting on the crown molding, and I was waiting on my fan. So we are at the point where I am painting my ceilings.
Yeah, it's the one. Whoa, whoa, yeah, yeah. Got me tied down on the way to the beach. 4 bad chicks in the middle of the street. Oh, right up in the yard.
And I just want to give you guys a few tips and tricks to use when you're painting your ceilings. Okay, first of all, I did my paint job backwards because I was scrolling on Pinterest and I seen the color the peppercorn gray. Ugh. Okay, let's try it again. I'd seen the color peppercorn gray on Pinterest. Okay, I usually snap these things in my phone and then I lose them. So I had snapped this color and I sent it to my husband. I said, don't lose this paint color because this is the paint color I wanted. So therefore, when he went to Lowe's, he just got this paint color. And I was like, what about the ceiling paint? He was like, well, we'll get the ceiling paint, but I ended up painting the walls before I painted the ceiling. But the proper way to do it is to paint your ceilings first, and I'll show you how I do that. So I do it by using this paint tape to put it all around the perimeters. And if you know how to paint, you'll say, why is she telling us this? But this is for the people that don't paint and they want a clean look, just a clean look to their paint job, and it looked like a professional came and do it. So this is for them guys. If you know how to paint, hey, you can exit the video if you want to. Okay, this is the first thing you use, and this is the painter's tape to do your perimeters all around your room, and you'll see that in the video. Okay, after you do your perimeters, like I said, you can move your furniture out first so you won't get paint all over your furniture. That I didn't do, so I have to wipe it up and clean it up. And sometimes paint be so hard to get off furniture, you know, you'll have to use a like solvent, and then it takes the first layer off your furniture, and you don't want that. So therefore I would say remove your furniture and then paint over your head. I was standing at an angle while I'm painting over my head using this thing here, and this is a big thing that you put inside your paint roller. So it's just a paint brush. Okay, I was standing at the angle so I wouldn't hurt my neck, my back, you know, stuff like that. But when you start with the paint, this here, you start with your brush. You find your brush, any kind of brush that you think that you can hold like a pencil, and get in your cuts after you done did your paint. Get in your cuts real good, and then you'll have a fresh, clean look. And I am just so, you know, enthused that my paint job, I think it came out so good, even though I did everything backwards, and I still want my crown molding. So, you know, we're working towards that. But these are fillers. These are filler videos because I am actually working on a bigger project, and I want to complete that before I come and show you guys that. But I had time while Ishmael was at work and I wasn't doing anything, so I decided to paint my ceilings, and I want you guys to enjoy this video. Be blessed, you guys, and I hope I got you all the tips and tricks that I know. Like, all I'm telling you guys is to save your neck and your back. You know, don't roll up under the roller, roll at an angle. Make sure you go around the perimeter like 3 times before you fill in your walls. And I think your paint job will come out as crisp and as beautiful as mine. I'm gonna let you see the this right here, the corner. You see that corner? How that corner is so neat and clean. When I first started this project, I had a whole bunch of spots everywhere, like gray. The peppercorn gray had got on the ceiling. Just do a neat and clean job like that, everybody would think a professional came and painted your house. I'm telling you, when I painted my daughter and my son room, my sister said, "Who painted your house? Did you hire somebody to paint your house?" And it's not an easy task. People be making you think, oh, it's an easy task. No, my son room, it literally took me 4 days, and I was up at 5 o'clock in the morning doing those zigzags on his room every day, making sure that that blue was straight, the green was straight. So it was a tedious project, but the reward was worth it. So, you know, if you want your paint job to look like a professional, then, you know, do everything I told you to do in this video. Be blessed, you guys, and I will see you on the next one. Enjoy the video that is coming up.